A busy spring. The pasture and the shelter in the back are finally finished. But will the goats like their new home? There's only one way to find out. But first, let's take care of these flyaway chickens. If you don't clip the chickens' feathers, they'll fly out over the fence.
We'll see if
You just have to clip one wing, because that makes them fly to the side, not straight. You don't have to clip the silkies' feathers because they don't have real feathers. Take a pair of scissors and catch a chicken and snip, snip, snip. It's just like getting a haircut. The chickens don't seem to mind.
they're all the fly lines. They're already cut. There you go.
Just like a haircut, in a couple of months you'll have to do it again. Catching a goat, that might be a little trickier. It's time to move these goats to their new pasture, but how will we get them there? I know some people who take their goats for a walk every day. Let's try a leash. Okay, that didn't work. Pippi's going crazy, so let's try Frodo. Well, Frodo's here and Pippi's on her way. Now the question is, will they go in the new barn? Yep, they seem to like it. That's all for now, but we got some new friends on their way. You can see them in our next video.